What if your business processes could actually think? Not just follow rigid rules, but adapt, learn, and make intelligent decisions just like your best employees do. And what if those same processes could handle the messy exceptions and edge cases that break traditional automation systems? Welcome to the world of intelligent process automation, where RPA, or robotic process automation, meets AI to create systems that don't just follow instructions, but actually understand your business. Today, I'm going to show you why forward-thinking companies are leaving basic automation behind and embracing systems that can actually think. Let's talk about the dirty secret of traditional automation. It breaks, constantly. In fact, studies show that up to 30% of conventional RPA implementations fail to deliver expected results. And the number one reason? They can't handle real-world complexity. You see, traditional bots are like incredibly fast, incredibly literal interns. Give them a perfect, unchanging task, and they'll execute it flawlessly. But throw them a curveball, a new form layout, an unexpected input, a decision that requires judgment, and they crumble. This is exactly why intelligent process automation is fundamentally different. These systems don't just execute predefined steps, they understand the intent behind processes. They can reason through exceptions, make judgment calls within parameters, and even improve themselves over time. Let me show you what happens when organizations move beyond basic bots to truly intelligent automation. First, meet Global Insurance Partners, a multinational insurer processing over 15,000 claims daily. Their conventional RPA system was handling standard claims reasonably well, but exceptions, which represented 40% of cases, still required complete human intervention, creating costly bottlenecks and inconsistent customer experiences. We implemented an intelligent process automation solution that didn't just follow rules but actually understood claims assessment. The system could interpret unstructured documents, recognize patterns from historical claims, and make nuanced decisions based on policy details. The results? Exception handling that previously took 2-3 days now completes in hours. Consistency in assessments improved by 42%. And most impressively, their adjusters now focus exclusively on the most complex cases that truly require human expertise. Here's what made this possible. Unlike traditional RPA that breaks when anything changes, our IPA system actually learns from every exception it handles. It continuously refines its decision models and can even suggest process improvements based on operational patterns it observes. At Optywise AI, we've developed what we call the Adaptive Process Intelligence Framework. Unlike basic RPA implementations, our IPA systems use advanced document understanding to work with unstructured information. They apply contextual decision models that consider business objectives, not just rules. They handle exceptions through intelligent reasoning rather than breaking down. Our systems continuously learn from human interventions to improve over time and provide process intelligence that identifies optimization opportunities. But here's where we truly differentiate. Our systems don't just automate individual tasks. They understand entire business functions. They recognize the relationships between processes, and they can coordinate multiple workflows to achieve business outcomes, not just execute steps. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. We tried automation before and it was a nightmare of maintenance and exceptions, and you're right to be skeptical. But our approach is fundamentally different. Our implementation methodology focuses on outcomes, not just activities. First, we identify your highest value processes with the right complexity profile. Next, our process engineers map both the explicit rules and the implicit knowledge used in decisions. Then, our AI specialists build intelligent models that can handle the judgment aspects of the work. Finally, we implement continuous learning systems that improve over time rather than degrading. Most organizations see their first IPA solution operational within 60-90 days, with ROI typically achieved within the first 6 months. And unlike traditional automation that deteriorates as your business changes, our systems actually get better over time. Here's something few automation vendors will admit. The business world is too complex and changes too quickly for static, rule-based systems to keep up. Intelligent process automation creates what we call an adaptive advantage. Your processes become living systems that evolve with your business rather than constraints that hold you back. They free your experts from routine decisions while escalating truly novel situations that require human judgment. At Optywise AI, we're not just automating tasks, we're creating intelligent systems that understand how your business works. And in today's rapidly changing economy, that's the difference between automation that breaks and automation that breaks through. Imagine a world where your business processes handle exceptions as intelligently as your best employees, where automation doesn't just execute predefined steps, but actually understands the why behind operations, and where your systems get smarter every day instead of requiring constant maintenance. That's not a fantasy. It's what our clients experience every day with Optywise AI's intelligent process automation. If you're ready to move beyond basic bots to truly intelligent automation, let's talk. Request a free consultation call through the link below. We'll analyze your specific processes and show you exactly how IPA would transform your operations. Remember, in the age of intelligent systems, the winners aren't those who simply automate tasks, but those who create adaptive processes that evolve with their business.